In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use the vocabulary builder on Grammar Monster. This page is designed to teach you the different types of fruit in English. All of the vocabulary pages are the same. They have 5 methods to teach you the different words. Method 1 is a spell the word test. It shows you a picture of a fruit and then it jumbles up the letters of that fruit. You then spell the word. Method 1 is designed to slow you down, to make you spell the words so that you have to think about them, to consolidate their meanings in your head. Okay, Method 2 is a multi-choice test. It has 10 questions, and there are 2 types of question. Either select the correct picture or select the correct word. Method 2 is a way of showing you lots of words without overloading you. Now, Method 3 is not a test. Method 3 is the classic flashcard method. And this shows you all of the words. And the idea is that you look at the picture and then you think what it is to yourself. And then you turn the flashcard to see if you are correct. Method 4 is also not a test. Method 4 is designed to show you each word in context. You look at the picture, look at the word, and then click on the word to see it in a sentence. Method 5 is much like Method 3. It's the flashcard method, only this time you're looking at a whole sentence with a missing word. So you read the sentence, think what the word might be, and then turn the card. After playing with these 5 different methods, the types of fruit should start becoming familiar to you. Once you finish with fruit, we then have lots of other topics for you to tackle. Let's just look at some. Well, we have time, we have colours, we have the different things on vacation, family, places, shapes, jobs, clothing, accessories, dozens and dozens, all the different types of food, including the fruit that we've just done. And then vocabulary by word type, for example, basic adjectives. Adjectives that are opposites, like big, small, rich and poor. We have a large nature category, works and hobbies, and tools and technology, and travel. By the time you've played with the methods on all of those pages, your vocabulary should be much broader. There are a lot of words to learn. Good luck. Thanks for watching.